We designed two styles of left foot accelerator, a twin folding and an electric. The style of the left foot accelerator that will be fitted to your vehicle will depend on the type of accelerator pedal that's already in your vehicle. The twin folding left foot accelerator is fitted to vehicles with a conventional pedal that hangs down from the bulkhead. The electric left foot accelerator is fitted to vehicles with a fully electronic floor-mounted organ-style pedal. This video will demonstrate the operation of both types of left foot accelerator and then explain some important points which you should be aware of before choosing this adaptation. The Jeff Gosling twin folding left foot accelerator mechanically replicates the vehicle's standard right-hand side accelerator pedal with an additional pedal to the left side of the brake pedal. The ability to transfer between left and right pedals allows the vehicle to be converted easily to drive with either left or right foot as required by the driver. To drive with your left foot, simply pull down the left pedal. The action will automatically fold up the right pedal. This enables you to use your left foot to make the vehicle accelerate. To revert the vehicle back to the standard automatic pedal setup, simply pull down the right pedal, which will cause the left pedal to fold up into its stowed position. The deployed pedal will operate the vehicle's acceleration. Our design process of the left foot accelerator highlights a smooth transfer between the left and right pedals, as well as giving a responsive throttle operation. The Jeff Gosling electric left foot accelerator replicates the standard right-hand side pedal electrically, using an additional OEM accelerator pedal to the left side of the brake pedal. The electric left foot accelerator is simply operated by selecting the required pedal using a changeover switch. The selected pedal is energized whilst the other pedal has no function and can be used as a footrest. This enables the vehicle to be converted easily to drive with either the left or right foot depending on the driver's requirements. It's important to note that when switching between the left and right pedal, the ignition must be off. To drive using the left foot accelerator, flick the switch to the left and then turn on the ignition. You can then use the left pedal to accelerate and brake. The right pedal will not be activated and can be used as a footrest if required. To revert back to the standard automatic vehicle setup, ensure the ignition is turned off and then flick the switch to the right. The vehicle can then be driven using your right leg on the original right pedal and the left pedal being deactivated and used as a footrest if required. If you've previously driven vehicles with the manual transmission, we'd not recommend the left foot accelerator. The finesse required for accelerating is very different from the operation of a clutch pedal. Also, in an emergency situation, there's a risk of pressing the left foot accelerator accidentally, as a once automatic reaction to depress the clutch and brake. If you're considering driving with a left foot accelerator for the first time, we recommend that you have a driving assessment or lesson using a left foot accelerator with a qualified driving instructor before having your car adapted. Information can be found on our website at www.jeffgosling.co.uk, or if you'd like to discuss left foot accelerators further, please contact us and we'll be happy to answer your questions.